Here we go. So the background is Pink Paisley Pick Me Up 5. The Polaroid frames are Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide. I use those over my photos. Oh, that was you, Coco. Okay. So these are some more of those photos from the layout I did previous. And the oh no, tell me it is not true. Yeah, that one. These are some other ones that she did. And then this one I just titled it All the Good Things using some stickers. So I'm going to use, let's see here, I'm using that tag sticker, which is Vicky Booten, and I did some watercoloring to that, and then that, of course, is a rub-on. I did a pink tag sticker and a blue one, and then I watercolored them. Well, actually they were white, and then I watercolored them. They are watercolor stickers by Vicky Booten. So those are two rub-ons that are Pink Fresh Studio, or from Pink Paisley, sorry, Pick Me Up. And then that epoxy heart is Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide. Actually, you know what? Panton, if you want to lay on my lap, you need to lay on my lap going this way, because, whew, I need to like change the way my desk is, do some rearranging in my scrapbook room over my summer break. There. The way I was sitting with my feet up on my stool, it was, I'm having to turn my head to see my monitor. This way is better. See? Come here. Alright, so that high five and the cactus and the llama, those puffy stickers are Crepe Paper Good Vibes. Now I feel like I'm a million miles away from the screen. Okay, so there's another rub-on. So I'm using like the epoxy heart stickers, and then I have some puffy heart stickers, which I'm using along, which are the smaller hearts, and those are Pink Fresh Studio called From the Mix. Yeah. So tomorrow are our awards. I have no clue what we're doing. They just kind of say, here, this is kind of an outline, but I have no clue what I'm supposed to say or blah, blah, blah. And it's just like, I feel like I'm riding by the seat of my pants. And that's not good because that's not me. I'm a planner. So then we have all the good things, which is my title, and those, and along with the hearts. And those are American Crafts Good Things stickers. And then that will pretty much complete my layout. I put that down, and that is pretty much it. And then I guess I have to text. Alright. So all the good. Oh, for a minute there, that looked black. I was going to be like, okay, wait a minute, something's wrong. All right, so that pretty much completes, that actually does complete the layout. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.